Cash I live in a car, you know, so you can't spend a better, you know. Cash I live in a car, you know. I call the contact to go, you know. I look red couple.
I'm living in
yeah, living in a car. Yeah.
In the 80s. Come out of the car out
Boogie.
of the 80s.
Yeah, listen to Boogie. Right now, most young people follow Holness, you know. Right now. And this third turban loading, brother. Me I tell you that for sure. If you serious man and see them, ear nails, can't hold on the Boogie. If you serious man and see them, ear nails.
Call a name that to me. Let me tell you, I call a name to my man when him see me stand up behind Garfield all the coming election, yeah. He made a go ask him. And me I go kill him. You think I nobody else? And me I go run him off a stage. Go ahead. You all you do is wait for the PNP people to come at them funeral, come tell them friends and family for why them never come at your rally and they must. And they say the people them funeral you come look your rally people them done. Hey, my father dead and instead of you come talk about the man. Saying you Philip Paul never there in funeral. Dr. Winston McNeil never there at the funeral. And the whole away are one, the whole away are blood. You can't talk about aliens. Keep bet me, I promise you, and I see Boogie bless behind Garfield. Watch.
Yeah, but you must say, you see Daniel G. Yeah, listen. You see Daniel Lawrence, you know something beat Nathan Cameron though. Daniel Lawrence, so you see there. So Daniel Lawrence, a Westmoreland man, you know, people them love Daniel Lawrence, you know. Daniel Lawrence, you know, don't take him light, you know. And it's George right, with it on the worst.
63 more I get beaten. You can't go and talk. And the whole 63 more and go down in a soldier. Whole 63.
People are come down, man. People are come down come vote, man. People are come down come vote, man. Enough people are come down come vote. Enough people are them tickets come vote.
Man, them not dealing with
brother, the country, Canon. You see the woman cry living in water. You know see the woman cry living in water. Read on something about Angelina, about the prophet. Angelina shut up about this Marissa. Don't Mama D can say, you know see it. You know see for instance, no man cry living in water.
Yeah man, me that listen.
No man cry about Angelina, man, and the prophet, man. Angel Holness, man. They man all people in prayer.
But I just show the people about them turn me and stuff. If I pass your life, I see people I make up feel nice and argue. I can't bother that boss. More hear the right thing. You know what? That's why I'm telling them.
Yeah, I not do them kind of reasoning.
Stop on the line.
Yeah, I not do them reasoning there. I don't know you.
If you have a PNP on the line, them tell you all of them lie. No about them lie. But you see when you get the facts.
Alright, later show, man.
Just like this. You just all give him like this. Yeah. You have everything. All of you have everything to kill them. But we make up too much nice man alive them, boss. You understand? People can't understand when a man cut live. You can't think of just you 9 people up on the box, they in the box, they on it. And hundreds of people are listening. So you have to know, say, but them can't argue. Too much argue business. A man come and say, man, start, send that, you can't bother with that. Them done with them thing, you know, boss. At election time now, it can't, no cost business. Just kill them with it, because the man, the first man have all the achievements to win an election. The first man in history, Prime Minister. The achievements to win the election. So tell all the people them to stop arguing with them people because they're nonsense. You understand? Stop arguing with them. Understand? I don't know, sense and nothing, no. Them just bias. And that's a bias thing. And that's the thing, no. And that's a bias thing, so that I don't want them know what going on. So them have sense, but them bias. That's the thing.
I'm going to get money for them, I'm get
yeah, man, them just bias. And that's the thing, soldier. Yeah, that's the truth. That's the truth. That's the truth, soldier. Soldier, I have to the truth. Soldier, one time, I never went like that, you know. And when I learn and something, and you see what I tell you about, my father used to work for David Core. Yeah. You understand? You see when David Core goes, the man they're fraud, the man yo, you don't suffer now, my father, nothing. And the man does stop, look and switch the app song.
Yeah, please.
My father. Listen what I tell you, man. Me know about the whole of them, man, yeah. What them talk about, me know more than them. But me don't about to say nothing. Because me know the high school you like them youth, you know. But me have the knowledge them. You understand? Yeah, man, straight up. You have the knowledge, can tell them, say, listen. You have to come and did big this and big that, like when Caution come with them foolishness. They go, my idiot. One night, me have a challenge him for my Charmian life.
Why,
Him my idiot. Him my
Boogie?
idiot. Him don't know nothing. Him just attack. Him just attack. I try to spread the rumor. And you don't know nothing. The man out tell we say. Munchie on the live, Munchie tell them, say, listen. Them a shit in a bag and a throw in a fence, a jungle and all them things, man. You must say, they might do it at waterhouse too. But guess what?
I still PNP.
Listen now, listen. Them, you see what them call waterhouse, what them think Andrew control, and Andrew place that. A Olympic garden at Andrew there. Not in the waterhouse.
Yeah.
You know see it?
Yeah.
I don't where Risto Benji, them and Bean man them come from. You just start it down there, so and I don't understand them have I'm waiting there where them go beat down there, down a place where them go beat. But nobody not shit in a bag and chew. I like them at
No, not listen, man. I want to wake up every day, man. Every day I wake up, now I want us, man.
Soldier,
But
when you pass Roseland School and when you pass Red Bridge and go down. When you pass
right at the Red Bridge there, sir.
Yeah, when you pass Red Bridge and go down. Yeah. Yeah, go down, man. And go down a capture, down a parker, down there, so down. Yeah.
Water also,
Yeah. Big man thing, where you know where you're talking about. We not go down and capture down the rough right now. Too rough.
Soldier.
Anything I go on down there, so
more like Gullibank soldier. More like Gullibank soldier. What the whole like Gullibank? Two summers and the whole of them. Jump cross, down cross, watch purple call and them thing there. Yeah, cross the gully. Yeah, come on, man. So we know the whole I think soldier our place, but you say biasness, me not bias soldier. The man that do the work,
yeah,
to get the pay. Any man do the work, I to get the pay.
Believe me, man.
Any man do the work, I him to get the pay, boss. Then me and you go to work every day.
That's what I'm telling them, and that's what I'm telling them, I can't vote. I can't talk about the past, I have to talk about the present when I see. And when I say Andrew, him do the work, so him forget the ratings.
I will look one pass, try put you somewhere and them fuck it up and I went see I go in 80. And then the man them goes up, boom. But you see, when you live in our era, it's come like when Rankin Trevor used to DJ. And then you used to have them bad DJ, Rankin Joe. And we are Trevor over Joe. But when you take a stop, come my waterhouse and think like rate Trevor, Joe better than him. Joe better than him. You understand? And you look at me and say, blood clot, a biasness, you know. But I see them there on a weatherman skank and weatherman hat. Joe that kill him one night on a railroad over at house. And I say, blood clot, that youth and a big neck youth and easy, you know. You understand? The man better than him, but a bias so bias. A bias so bias soldier. I was showing bias. Showing bias, we should understand the truth and say, who mother. That's how it go. I say it go soldier, who mother star, and the prime minister of the world.
Yeah, believe me,
No more prime minister not do it. I be a thief in finance minister we get. Not all of them, but like David Poran, that boy, a big boy from jungle. The boy, Omar Davis. All two them. All two them, all them finance minister. I put them. Remember say I was the #1 finance minister now.
Really?
And then you have the General Nigel Clark come now, make me go and think. Come on, I'm so great. If USA can send for that man. That man is great to go fix the world. It's great. Yeah, man. So the man have the right team and the man have no man now work wicked. Come on, man. He might win, man. Don't worry about that soldier. Winner. He might the winner, man.
Winning team.
And the winner.
And the betterment of the youth them for tomorrow, you know, because we have got all food, you know, and can't move too much, you know. And one was the youth them not so hungry. Hey, I got some people not pray, you know. We have to look for a life like this, you know, me in my 40s, you know. The next 15 years, I mean, in my 60s, I go up now my 70s. So I have to make sure the youth them we are come be the young youth them hungry, them not hungry. them face no screw up so I can stand up out of the front of my gate and take cool breeze when I sit down in my chair and can't run so hard no more or can't walk so far no more. You see, but if we are go, you have them youth that we are when no work and dead for hungry, then you not go can't stay out there, you're not comfortable as an elder in your own country. And so you come outside against be a viper. Be a viper. Your neighbor youth for alright and the up the road the youth for alright and that Mr. Andrew create a more calmer Jamaica so when foreigner come from foreign to them face calm, we don't know because our face calm to it now shine so much in our sun.
Soldier, the man are the greatest man. And the man are the winner.
Believe that man.
And the winner. The man will just go and win till him just give up. He go and win till him give up. Because you when I do him, I kill them at work. And you say, true them know say when him win that term, him can't lose again. You're not going to hear nothing again. Yeah. You're not going to hear nothing again. Because the work way more perform in the 4 years or the 5 years. Oh, them dead. Them dead. Bantam already, them dead. And they more continue on and on, boss. Yeah, man, they more continue on and on. That's what the thing said. Yes, soldier.
Yeah, man.
I'm the winner. And then I look at 17-year-old youth there, who come from neighbor, that youth there are great. Maybe I can take it up half of him.
Yeah, man.
Maybe that youth there.
Bad man, look nice, man.
Yeah, man, and maybe I can take it up. I shoot me and tell you, me listen. Me listen every live, everything was.
You got child of God, you know, so you are studying every day. At top high school, man, come on.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, you great. When you say great, man.
Man, and that great parent, man, mother say she try to tell him all the way to leave this alone.
Yeah, man.
But the man, the way man love. You see me?
But you know what she said, too? You know what she said? She said one day she came going first meeting time, one go meeting for to see what it like long time.
Yeah, make him see what it look like.
And she came at the first meeting the other day. And when the boy tell you some things look like me, they even know them things there.
Yeah.
The man mad. 17-year-old youth. And a long time man say I do it.
And I doing research, man.
Man say a long time I do it. The man have research like joke to blood, but some of youth. Labour Party are going boss.
That's a little youth to them say I come up, come turn la. Look at him.
He must turn law. So that's you don't turn everything.
No, Boogie.
Okay.
Boogie.
Hear me and hear about it.
Boogie.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
That you qualify for going in any sector.
All right. You're a man where they're listening there.
You have some governor general thinking, brother. Wow.
Yeah, man.
Wow, Prime Minister, you would rough every time, man. The first night the man come up, you know, left. And every time you would want to come on.
All right. You bet when you reach 18.
Every big people on the live, I feel just stop chatting and listen to the youth, the man teach.
Yeah. The man does a teach, man. You're great. Yeah, man. You're listening, soldier.
Some things that the youth I said, boy, I don't know them, they're a big man.
The man tell you everything all what them do wrong, you know. The opposition, Omar Davis, this, that.
The guy are doing
research. Man, the youth bad.
You are doing research, man doing things.
When they reach 18.
Yeah, man, you know, say.
Like you saw same side of Andrew, you know. When they reach 18, you know. Listen what I say to you.
You know, say, when I say, you refresh here and look at you to talk, you know, because you know, education level, we did a struggle with it in Jamaica. And we just want to know, say, next generation, I pick up in mantle, right?
Yeah, like you there, like that you there.
Yeah, man, we need to move on, because I only political thing and lifestyle we have as youth. It does kind of not make sense. So you get me and say, you know, it benefit us as a community.
And now that you're the Prime Minister, I'm not on the next Prime Minister. I'm going to quote him like I say, Coach Andrew.
The money doesn't continue with the same mindset and on the park. If you not stray off a party,
I don't think he must stray. I don't think that you're that stray, boss.
Listen, man.
I don't think that you're that stray. I tell you the truth.
Trying came to the Prime Minister already, man. Boss, have him in the man already.
Me say that you're not stray, man. That you're going to be the next one. I tell you, the man wicked.
22 bars already, man.
All right. Are you there? Me don't know. Yo. And you know the Prime Minister love the young as them, you know. Him just take it, yeah. Take them and take care of them. Although him love everybody. Yeah, man, that's the greatest, man.
Yeah, man, I like the comment there, man. Them have to go do like take him on there, man. Like I say, I go take Andrew and put him on.
Yeah, man, him have to go take him, man. Yeah, man, him coach the youth there.
Be the next leader.
Yeah, man.
Somebody that type it there. Yes, me I say.
Yeah, man, you have to water certain potential, you know. Like look at potential, you have to put some water on him, make it grow.
Make it grow, brother. Manifest. Make it manifest. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So that's all the things that's work. Yeah, man.
We still a win, man. Just now we're ourselves, man.
Yeah, man, but I tell them, say, yeah, man, I see that. I tell them, say, what Carter say, I spend down, like, page him and him have to go a meeting. You understand?
Nah, go in a meeting now, behind the screen. Like,
No, you know that. You know that, but that man, you know, that man don't hold them out. That man, the talk on him like. Yeah, man. So, that's all the thing said right now. So, some bad up still are going, because this man here bring back bad up business, you know. Want to talk to people like, as him a bad man and him a, what kind of man this?
Yeah, school, no, man. The law out the fee, man. Make it eyes on him, you know, brother.
Come on, man.
Eyes is on him. Block, you know, him never know that, you know. Yeah,
yeah. You know what kind of man this? I'm going to give man talk about, I Jungless got a backing and, Jungless and,
the way him a go on right now, anything, brother.
Yeah. Come on, yeah,
Hey,
this man.
When he said, comrade.
Stop crying. Stop crying, man.
Comrade.
Come on, yeah.
You know, comrade. When I man take office, you know, I man I go make sure say donkey, I go make talk, you know, cause I man a black money, I man.
Yeah, but anyway, this man has something wrong with him, man. And him brave with it, you know.
Brave. You know, them social, you know, them people that way look like them should have been handicap, so I'm looking at social awkward.
Yeah, man.
Great, man.
Yeah, man. Come like a retarded, like some man.
Yeah. If he come a day later, he would have straight.
Not so long, man. I don't know, man. When it come 2 hours later.
Push him out one, if your mother did never push him out one day earlier or later, sitting with the wrong with him.
Come on. Come on. But it's election time to call now. But the campaign not start yet, so it can't call.
We'll be at the Spanish Town tomorrow, now. Bob's again. And weekly.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. One of the people them stop argue on live Rasta and stop over talk each other, boss. 100 live. I'll you sometime, you know, you're going like you're stubborn, you know, 100 live.
Yeah, what going? Where you say now?
Want to stop talk over each other on the live Rasta. Because that, you know, listen, you know have all of the thing them, the facts. But you are the problem, you know. People now go understand and not talk over each other. Like somebody attack something and somebody want to add something to it, a different man. No, one man talk, one man answer. One man talk, and then people learn that way. You don't know everything.
Yeah, when one man attack, every mic must mute.
Every mic must mute.
Man, that's true.
Every mic must mute. And no man not for whoop no mic. No man at all. Nobody add nothing to not what man attack. You have
but sometimes
talk when you take it. No man, it make it nice, boss. It make it nice. You know, enough time in there type noisy and all them things, you know.
I really thought, man. Even me to learn sometime, you know, when
listen, man.
That's what I tell you. Joshua, I'm tell you, say you in it too.
Better them listen with brother, don't take them up. You see my logo? Yeah, you see my logo? A boy now. When him see that him now put me, so I'm gonna go PNP like.
No, but sometimes them come on some live where you there. Enough time that happen, them come on live where you there. 100 live and them enough time in night.
100 live need to stop the function.
So at this time,
Come on,
campaign and come a campaign and tell like,
a campaign more than now, so we're not even a pre for entertain now, PNP. We just a sell ourselves now.
yeah,
Time why you done now. For them done now.
then
But
we go.
it sometimes it's hard to look on them when them have about 300 people on their live and then just a spilly liar, you know it's true. So you just compare if you just go up, they go defend. Because you know, say 400 people, them are leaders train.
Yeah, man.
You understand? So that's
You
why
have to lick them
more
down sometime. You're right, like.
yeah, man. We just jump in at them box and lick them down. Because I know them really are talk to some of my time, you know, the audience, you know.
Oh, the audience. You're right, like.
Because you want them to make a point, you know. And when they're not challenging, you know, people leave with that they and think true. But when you go up, you know, and he say the same thing and you tell him, say, roop.
You say Vegas, I'll Munchie, and them, I got challenge them, you know. And I adapt me like them. But some people, when them a challenge, them a make so much noise, just they don't need to make nice.
Yeah, man.
You know, I'm not
If you
curse,
add
that's
a
one
little,
of the
make
place
sense,
now.
man. If you add, if you nice, it ain't no make sense again. That
Yeah, it don't make no sense, man. People not learn nothing from that, man. I really want to start coach.
Yeah,
You understand?
creative.
Yeah, man.
Let me say something on my time for talk, blah blah.
Yeah.
You know, answer me question.
Yeah, man. It don't make no sense, boss.
When
You
you have
And
understand?
that's when you hear dirty PNP and dirty Labour right. And that's where the ignorant come in. Because no pitney no them on this at talk about politics. No pitney not talk about PNP and no pitney not talk about Labour right. The whole of we are grown people. And none of we not see each other tomorrow. We'll probably never see each other. That's why I'm tell people when you come on the live, when you come on the live, we light. We the skin thicker than cow skin. Believe.
Yes.
Because and my PNP will come over here so now and depend dirty Labour right and say two things where him know say I got hot up your head. Tomorrow the PNP there, believe me. They hear wickedest thing when me always scream. Hold on now, Canon. Suppose tomorrow morning the PNP they wake up when I'm in bed dead. You think me I gonna miss him? You think so me I gonna know and me I gonna hear say that person when suppose him wake up in bed and alive. Sorry. And we not gonna miss him, we not hear from him, so there's nobody can come behind the screen and say nothing. Tell me say my mother bigger than Rare and tell me say my father Sokuma, it don't bother me. Tell me have the biggest transmission on this. It not gonna bother me because I don't know you. You not gonna catch my energy and entertain you. Since I don't know you. I gonna ignore you and I gonna laugh with you. I know somebody for laugh with me, I gonna laugh with you. If I laugh, you come for laugh, I can laugh. Blow, you hear that brother there? My brother say me a bat him and me a this and me a that. Bomba, I can't believe him say that and a 10 baby mother me have. Me now go give him, hey boy, you know where me live? Hey boy, tell me where you live. Pussy, you know me a boy. That was for what? Him could have dead with laugh and I say something else to hear me again. You now control my mind, so. So always use the intellect there as a grown person. Enough man come on the life, them say a girl, hey, mama, where you them I come pull up on you, and if that girl walk past them, stand up at them yard gate, them would have just a look. Them not have no energy for say, them not have no venom in them. For say, boy, me a job down pan a cat there. But on the live, them are the most girlies. So I realize that internet and live stream self-esteem most people have. Saying a person will trace you wicked on this, now go trace you in front of you. So give them power on stage, pan. Give them from 15 minutes of fame on this.
Yeah, that's not how internet work, bad man. I know that's the greatest thing, and that's how it work for true, bro. Man, them bad pan the app, and you see them, you confront them in a real life. They not even have a leg to stand up, man. So you don't know.
A man just tell me a while ago, what I know? A man, I remember a hotel up on the live a while ago. Say, caution living now and car is a taxi driver. Hear me to myself, you see father. Every day with that. Sorry, coming I want to choke on them dumpling here. And then this man that look like, move like him as somebody. And you tell me, say, of course you're supposed to not have nothing for talk and entertain every day because you work at taxi. So night time you not have nothing to do, you just sit down and talk. You get me? If you really living in your car, you have whole heap of time. See? And look, we don't know. Based on our caution that bring across himself, we would have give him little respect and say me somebody. But now you have find it's a taxi and I probably him own it. See? Behind the scene thing that.
But Boogie, you know, so one man come up when I the followers come up on the line and he say one day he's gonna cast and tell him about him and go on. And so the next day, he walk out under the street and he
Pitbull.
just touch my thing. You know over there? He said, caution, he said the caution and me tell him he's shocked. So caution couldn't open him out. He's shocked.
Yeah, man, him reveal who cast and me, him expose the picture and everything.
Bombard. You see that? You see that? I got through Facebook one day. And I see a browning. And I said, Bombard. A browning here look good. I wish point of the world a browning here there. But I love it. And so some skip the page, I saw the girl just a muggle. Some skip the page, saw the girl just muggle. And told me entertained by the girl's Facebook page. I want to see every picture about her. You see first set a picture them, I know the backyard there. Bombard. Not up the road that. Bombard to the girl there. Bombard. So when she looks so, a girl never dress up so from me know her. A lie. But on Facebook, believe me, I get tricked. Right up the road she come from a zinc fence place. But on Facebook, she pretty like money. She shape good like wow. And when I see her in a real life, I wouldn't touch her with the hair thing. And from that day, them depend. Don't worry where you sip on this. Most of it a lie.
Yo, facts about 90% of internet are lie. You get what I say? When you hear something and you hear it again and you hear it again, most of the time I lie. You have to just fact check everything. And you have people that want their own agenda, you know, where they want to get popular and they do it by any means necessary, you know. Then you tell the fattest lie, just gain traction. You get them and say them have 20 bikini and the 20 of them hungry. And them never have seen from them bad. You get me and say so I just them levels the people go. We try case of fear on the app.
Just like 100 lives, so we can't allow them to inoculate the mind. Sometimes you have to tell them, go man. But that, yeah, all I understand, but all we are man and we are Jamaican, and if Andrew I do good for the country, why the PNP them can't vote for Andrew?
And I'm biased.
No want nothing good, brother.
Because
Don't want anything.
I ask you, say, if they don't know, say, listen, you're going to risk it because you're die-hearted, and you're going to go with where you're sure you're going to make it. I did this across life, and the way of life, the millions.
That mash up Jamaica a long time.
Nah, get this. Nah, get them back from mash up this girl. Nah, get back this mash up. That's crazy.
That was somebody tell me, why you don't want to do a fair but you want the school instead of going to country. What can you do with things?
Man can't dress, brother. Man come like a chaka people.
This thing could have been doing things. But it's not going to do the country.
In can represent nobody.
Have to be a labor here.
Yeah, man.
After I'm telling you, I have to be labor right now. And me tell the people them say Mark dress like them nobody. And I me tell the people them say Mark look like the fat man who puts his pizza box under the couch. And me tell them say Mark look like them boy there. Them Mark look like them when him get up out of bed, him just a scratch him body and a rub him nose with the allergy and just a fast
pizza box. You talk about pizza box. Him look pizza box one boy. Yeah.
Oh my word.
Him look like him lay down in a couch And when the pizza done, I like one pizza left, him just push it under the couch. Him just remind me of those people who sit on
real talk.
So
you know what he remind me of? Him look like, you know them man, them kids that
real talk.
15-year-old. They are 15
Like
at high school,
lassie.
15, 16-year-old at high school, and them still a poop and piss up themselves.
That's why I'm tell you about it, man. The soda can, man.
Yeah, man.
You hear them fart up the room and rub them nose through the allergy. I hear the nose that go with the allergy in the nose and them just a fart, but them no business. Him just have that tackiness. And when him put on, you see me, and him put on him hat now with the back and the ear them will curl up behind the hat now, just make it look like when the shaggy dog them wet.
Yo, are you?
I'm depending on Uno. Him Uno. No, so bro got dressed dog.
This a man that they want go.
You know, so the man just respectable. All when the man just have on a class. About the vision of the youth, them who them have to look up to. That man, we are class people, you know. We are self-esteem set of people, you know. That's why we go to America, go run the dirty Yankee then say they're nasty, you know. Because we are come from a hungry, poor country and we clean up, blow with a certain style. So how you for bring this man, this fat man now with him nose and running and blow up in a parliament?
This a man that can represent me. This a man that can represent me. Remember say I world stage yearly, you know, them have yearly meet the leader, them assemble one place, you know. And Mark Bowling figure turn up on the top of represent Jamaica that the man there. Mad bro.
What is protecting?
At the end of the day, still now, the Labour have nothing to worry about still because my father, which is the truest PNP, I know, and he's dying bed at at University Hospital. He turned to me and said, "Son, I got to die." I said, "No, Daddy, I'm not dead." He said, "I have to die." I said, "Why?" He said, "Because PNP will never come back in power for the next 8 to 12 years, and I'm not have time for wait for that." So, if him said that, me as a labourer, I just walk up and down and smile. That's what I say. The PNP, that's what I say. All right, big up on yourself, love you too. It is, me not have to do nothing. Every youth wake up at Jamaica right now. Everybody knows, say, yo, move with the crowd, move with bro God, move with the betterment. You know, stop hungry, stop believing in your colonial way. Lift up the colonial way, out of the mindset of the youth them. You see me? Stop colonize the youth them head with brigadista time. You understand? Brigadista them dead. And who did the young them time they all and have grey hair now. Cut out them look out them and who they were. Remember when you see I go stabilize the money? We don't want to hear about that. That was a past. That stabilize money not do nothing for. We have to about where stabilize now. The crime we are go down now. The police them we are get fear. The teacher them we are get fear. The youth them we they pan part. The youth them we have a future prepare for them. The factories them, the air drone, the airport, the whole heap of work we are prepared for Jamaica. We have to remember so the man just going to power. The man going to power 9 years ago. And if you plant a mango tree 9 years ago, you still will not eat a mango a fight right now. But you will eat enough till you know want none.
Yeah, we eat.
Protecting me, know you can't blaze that way now, you know. Protecting.
Morning, everybody. No, man, I listen to Boogie, man. Boogie, bless her, go on with himself, man. Go on, Boogie, nobody stop. One driver.
Yeah, man. Believe no, man. Them tell me this morning say Ian Ears. And me I got change the name from Ian Ears to Ian Ass. You get me? Like nigga, you ain't no damn Ian Ears, you ain't Ian Ass. Because that's all you is for the people them. You can imagine your virgin dead and you come on my pop funeral and tell the people them how you never see them at their last rally. What them for do? Take their number and them name of my father's funeral. You know wicked so. You no do nothing for the man. That you had to wait for when me done with him at Westmoreland. And I will give me bodyguard, you know. I must say, a Dajel boy that, you know, him turn the whole of this green, you know, and know who him is, you know. And him smart and him go foreign and him not afraid, him brave. And when he come out of him out, I go be facts. And guess who I school him? G keeper. Jesus Christ.
Terrible teacher, Alvin.
May I tell you, G?
Real Mama G.
Bite without warning, you know, like they don't.
Not even the junkie facts teacher.
Real Mama G that, yeah?
That even the joking master no teacher. Oh yeah,
Not even the junkie master teacher. She keep on say, Boogie, I'm a nephew. I'm say, tell me what me don't know. And she just start scold me. I'm there on alright, G keeper. This is what I need you for do. Try to see if you can tell some more PNP this. Because this is true, we live and grow in a PNP era. We don't come out at no time to go listen to. We have Labour right people, you know, but these are the time when we hear what go on in a Labour Party and what Labour right doing. And sometimes this is the time we hear what go on in a PNP party and what PNP doing. But this is the time the youth them who that thing for vote PNP. For mash up themselves and them image in the next 4 to 8 years. Would make a no, you don't have to. You don't have to make that mistake there. You get me? And nobody don't believe that Marker come. Boy, I'm raising the minimum wage couple times. I'm going to raise it again. No. Don't believe Marker come say, boy, but they left that thing here for the youth them when they are 18, I put a little thing on it. No. Them are come suck and scrape. And me and you have to wait until them belly full before we start to look trickle down. And when you get the trickle down, it only turn you in a welfare. It's like you're American. Because you wouldn't know how to fend for your damn self. You continue wait for the 2 pound of rice and the 2 pound of flour. You understand? Go dig a road for yourself. Money there, they're like, whoa. Stop follow them people there. Them people they are turning a workless. You see me, back in the days, I understand Michael Manley. I respect Michael Manley. I honor you. Because there's a set of people who needed to see some kind of light. So you build up Bower Banks and you build up a couple gully side and a couple places, give the people. And them did need it. But we can't stuck another presence there right now. Those who the gully side house needed for turning a wall today. Those who never get no pipe in a them place need pipe in a them place. We can't stuck in a the mentality saying, well, Michael, they give a house, yeah, so. But is the house clean? The surrounding clean? We never say if we come out, we just say make it better. Make your living in there better. And that's what they have to say as Labour, right? And that me believe.
As you know, see Michael Manley them on campaign nowadays. Somebody.
Believe? Yeah, and the lady said the only time she ever see a prime minister, I go and give a boat and wall house. I never there at Jamaica for 20 years, so a couple of elections miss me. But when me come and see a lady say we're there. I mean, I told me never see government give a boat and wall house. I pay a boat house. Well, Andrew give a wall house, well, it's Andrew time. Who that
Andrew
deny?
give a wall house.
Jamaican, go around.
You build it house in a way, you see, where you can extend upon it. You get what I say? And then you build it so that the structure where you give and the mindset is that this are going to just be it for the rest of your life. You build that if you reach a way in a life where you make 1, 2 million and you decide you want to upstairs or a patio on your back, anything you want, you just throw on and you go on. And that me I talk to a contractor for the other day. And the make me know say I've been.
And the future. Vision family get big in the future.
Yeah, exactly. Yes, man. Visionary leader, bro. And that difference. The difference between a follower and a leader, you know, is that the follower see 10 steps ahead and the leader see 10 steps ahead and the follower just see probably 3 or 5. You understand? And when you gain the trust of people, the people can say, yo, this actually us.
Yeah, respect.
Every morning, every step of the way, you have to the 10 steps ahead. And Andrew is like that, right? Initiative and plan, even house building. You cannot build board house for the people for your country. And
in a 2025.
And I call that vision.
In a 2025. Come on, man.
Right now, you're not even
a G keeper say when the people them fought in that the board house there, we Paul Patmore give the people them a chill and like, listen, And fart in a boardhouse that not come out easy, you know. Chichi them take yarn, you know. When you cook in a boardhouse, you know, members say some debris in your food, you know, guarantee that, you know. Cause chichi board never stop shedding, you know. Back a wall mentality and come give the people. And so I'm telling you, say, the party is stuck in the past of the 80s, and that is why the country now further with the PNP party. Because PNP is stuck in a bigger this time. Yeah. And we have people like Caution and keep them there and hold them there too. Caution's alright, book everything where you say are true, but just tell me this. Where the $3 trillion there? You can't tell me. Why them say Caution is a taxi man living in taxi? Any day I buck up Caution like me. I say Caution, you're a taxi man. And that's why you get on nothing for them, man. You enjoy the good kind them when you get there. When you just kill time for another work and you drive your taxi and you not drive. You just want the screen for tap and you enjoy your car in them. But that's why, man, you say if you live in a house and really want something and I look forward like 10 steps ahead, you now worry about just the next step. Because the next step cover already.